Hello everyone, you were asking how I do a braid. Braid is something over here that it's kind of horizontal knitting. And how do I do it? There are a few patterns that I have free and paid for patterns down below, so I'm hoping to update it when I publish new pattern. So let's start. First thing what you do, you make one left. So you lift the yarn between the two stitches from the front and leave it on the left needle. And then you knit through the back. Okay, once you have that done, we're going to do something that we're going to repeat all the time now from now on. We're going to slip the stitch from the right needle to the left needle, so the one that we just knitted, and then we're going to tightly knit through the back loop of the second stitch. So this is our first one, so this is our second one. This is how we do it. Tightly. Why tightly? Because this stitch is actually our next round or row, and if you keep it loose, the stitches will be loose. So if you keep it tight, they will be slightly tighter. And then the next thing what you do, that you're going to knit as normal first stitch over here. And that's that. So let's repeat that. We're going to slide, knit through the back, knit front, and again, slide, knit second, back, knit first, and that's it. So you can see that the braid, now hopefully you can see that the braid is showing up. I'm apologizing for using darker yarn, but you could see it also gives a really nice effect if you're using it just to make a few colors. What you need to remember over here that we increase by 1 stitch in the round or in the row if you're knitting. Therefore, in my pattern, sometimes at the same round we're going to decrease, or later on we're going to decrease. So check it out. And there are different things that I do to close in the round, and I do different stuff when I knit flat. Okay, I hope you know what to do. Enjoy. Let me know down below what are you knitting, and let me know that you find it helpful. Till the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, I'm just using leftovers and designing a new hat.